The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ross County, Pickaway County, Madison County, Southern Licking County, Hocking County, Franklin County, Fayette County, Fairfield County, southeastern Champaign County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Amity to 5 miles west of New Martinsburg, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, Hilliard, New Holland, Upper Arlington, Worthington, Grove City, Ohio State University, downtown Columbus, Easton, Kahana, Asheville. In addition, Chenoweth, Bloomingburg, New Martinsburg, Lily Chapel, Big Plain, Madison Mills, Rock Mills, and Lake Darby are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 71 and 142, Interstate 71 between mile markers 72 and 118. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Monday morning for northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.